Hi everybody, I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen, and I am here to show you our new culinary wingman everything rubs. These new blends make cooking everything easier. We designed them to be your new favorite pantry staple. You just choose your protein or your veggie and you let Urban Accents deliver the flavor. Our rustic Italian everything chicken rub is the new Urban Accents staff favorite. We're using it all day, every day. First of all, it is beautiful. It's got a rainbow of colors. You can see every ingredient. There are big chunks of garlic and onion, flecks of sweet orange peel, bright green parsley, and just a pinch of red pepper flakes. Use it as a marinade for grilling or mix it into softened butter for classic roast chicken, my favorite. You can also use it for baked dishes like chicken and biscuits or turkey tetrazzini. For recipes and more, visit urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen.